Hi everyone, good morning. This is Daud Ali from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, your teacher for today's lesson. It's going to be a very important one, so I need you to pay attention and listen carefully because that is the key to make everything super easy. Ready, set, let's go. Tense. The word tense has been taken from the Latin word tempus, which means time. So it is quite clear that tense is related to time. But how? When we want to talk about what has happened when, that's when we use tense. Okay? So it is clear whether the action took place in the past, is taking place now in the present, or will take place in the future. I taught you last week, past. I am teaching you today, right now, present. I will teach you next week also, future. Okay? Past, present, future. I taught you last week, past. I am teaching you right now, today, present. I will teach you next week also, future. Okay? So there are three types of tenses, mainly past tense, present tense and future tense. We will talk about past tense, gone events, events that are done. Present tense, current events, and future tense, future events. You took admission in Shiv Jyoti school, gone events, done event. You are now studying in class 8, present event. You will be in class 9 next year, future event. I hope it is clear to you. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, past tense. Today, present tense. Tomorrow, future tense. Okay? You can take out page number 32 of your book. We will now discuss present tense. Present tense can be divided into 4 categories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. We will now get to know the uses of simple present. To express habitual actions. I teach, you study. I teach, you learn. Here the verb teach is in simple present form. The verb study is in simple present form. The verb learn is in simple present form. Okay? He drinks tea every morning. It's his habit that when he gets up, he drinks tea every morning. Here the verb drinks is in simple present form. Okay? So to express habitual actions, we use simple present tense. To express general truths, so when it comes to expressing general truths, we use simple present. The sun rises in the east. Here the verb rises is in simple present form. The sun rises in the east. It's a general truth. It's something everybody knows about. You know it, I know it, the world, everybody knows about it. The sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. Here we will always use simple present tense. Okay? Honey is sweet. Here the verb is in simple present form. Honey is sweet. What else is sweet? Sugar is sweet. So for general truths, we will use simple present. For proverbs, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. For proverbs, we will always use simple present tense. Always keep this in mind. Never forget this. This will help you score good marks in exams, and as well as it will help you to speak good English. Okay? We will now go through this exercise. First one has been done for you. Complete these proverbs using the correct expressions from the box. One has been done for you. A fool and his money are soon parted. Here we will look at the second one. Fools rush in. The right answer is fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Number 3, people who lives in glass houses should not throw stones. Okay? I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. All the best. And if you, just in case if you find it difficult, you can ask them in the live out class later. Okay? Imagine you are a reporter interviewing the captain of your school cricket team. Complete this interview. One has been done for you. Do you feel nervous before a match? Yes, I do. Here the verb do is in simple present form. How do you motivate your team? How do you motivate your team members? I try to make them smile. I try to make them feel confident. Here the verb try is in simple present form. Okay, I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. Good luck. Now we will talk about present continuous tense. I would again like to remind you, present tense can be divided into 4 categories: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. We have just now done our talk on simple present. We will be now talking about present continuous, where to use present continuous to express something that is going on at the time of speaking. So present continuous is used to express something which is going on at the time of speaking. Right now I am teaching you. I am teaching. This is something which is going on at the time of speaking. I am right now teaching you. This action is right now going on. So here the verb teaching is in present continuous form. Remember, children, always keep this in mind, how to identify a present continuous form. You will see ing form attached with the word. Teach plus ing, teaching. Sing plus ing, singing, present continuous. Dance plus ing, dancing, present continuous. Write plus ing, writing, present continuous. Study plus ing, studying, present continuous. Okay, so it's very easy to identify the verbs that have present they are in the form of present continuous. You will see ing form attached with them. Okay, teaching, singing, dancing, speaking, playing, writing, eating, cooking. Okay, for something that has already been arranged to take place in the future. It is interesting. We also use present continuous for the things which are already planned, which are arranged to take place in the future. Worry not, for I am still here. Think it like this. I have bought the tickets of cinema for tonight. I have arranged my tickets. So I am going to the cinema tonight. Here we will use present continuous. Here the verb going is in present continuous form. My uncle is arriving tomorrow. Okay, here is arriving. Arriving, the verb it's in present continuous form. Arrive plus ing, arriving. Okay, my uncle is arriving tomorrow. That is present continuous. We are now going to go through this little exercise. This will be good, as well as it will improve your English grammar. Vinita and her friends are working on a project titled India's Wildlife. Vinita records their activities in her notebook. Help her to complete what she has started using the present continuous forms of the words given in bracket. One has been done for you. Okay, so what did we learn, children? We learned that any verb attached with ing form, that is present continuous. Here we can see in the bracket it was a hint for us. Try hard to complete. This is the hint. Try, we can see try here. We will attach ing with it and it will become present continuous. We are trying hard to complete the project by this weekend. Similarly, collect will become collecting, use will become using, collecting, using, and you can think of the rest of the sentence on your own for your good mental exercise. Okay, I believe you can do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own. All the best. Present perfect tense. We will now talk about present perfect tense. To show completed activities in the immediate past, to denote a past action. We use present perfect tense to talk about the activities we have finished. We have finished in the past. I have finished my homework. It means I'm done with my homework. I've finished my homework. I've completed my homework. My homework is done. I don't have to do my homework anymore because it is now done. For such cases, we will use present perfect. All right? Okay. I have finished my homework. I have downloaded Google Meet to attend the live out class of my Shiv Jyoti school. Okay, so these are the examples of present perfect tense. The actions, the tasks that you are finished with, that's where you will use present perfect. We will now talk about present perfect continuous. You might be amazed here to see the word continuous here again. Yes, you should be, and it is interesting. It has an advantage. It is easy for you to learn. Why? Because it is something like present continuous tense only. The only difference when you are dealing with present perfect continuous tense, first we will talk about where do we use it. It is used to show the action that began in the past and is still going on, and it's still continuing up to the present time. Okay, so it is used to talk about the action that began in the past. I started teaching you 5 minutes ago. I am still teaching you, and I will continue to teach you for the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's where we will use present perfect continuous. Okay, I started teaching you 10 minutes ago. Activity, this action is still going on. I am still teaching you right now, and I will continue to teach you for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So here we will use present perfect continuous. I have been teaching you for almost 10 minutes now. Okay, I have been teaching you. So to use present continuous, you will use the ing forms with have been and has been. Depending, you will always use has been for singular and have been for plural, for I and you have been, and for plural have been, for singular has been, and for I and you have been. I have been teaching you for almost 10 minutes now. Okay, and you have been learning, you have been studying for almost 10 minutes now. All right, so that's how you will use present perfect continuous. Again, the exercise, fill in the blanks with present perfect continuous tense of the verbs in bracket. One has been done for you. Mother looks unwell. She has been complaining of a headache for the past 2 days. So what did we learn about this? To show the action that began in the past and is still going on and still continuing up to the present time. Now please pay attention on this sentence 1. Mother looks unwell. She has been complaining of a headache for the past 2 days. So 2 days ago, headache of mother started, and she is still feeling that headache, and it is not yet over. So here we have used present perfect continuous tense. She has been complaining. Okay, for he and she you will always write has been. For I and you and we and they you will always write have been. For singular, has been. For plural, have been. Okay, the room is well arranged. We, since we, I just now told you, for plural, and for we and they, we use have. We have been working on it the whole morning. I believe rest of them you can do on your own. All the best. Fill in the blanks with present continuous, present perfect, or present perfect continuous forms of the verbs in the bracket. Here we have the mix of all the tenses that we learned till now, and you have to do all of them on your own. One has been done for you. Mahek has been painting since morning. She has not spoken to anybody. Okay, I believe you will be able to do all of them on your own. Good luck. We will now continue. Before we end this session, this is something which will help you learn, which will help you go through this in more depth of it. Simple present, present continuous. I speak, I am speaking. You speak, you are speaking. He speaks, he is speaking. We speak, we are speaking. They speak, they are speaking. So, verb plus ing form, present continuous. I have spoken, I have been speaking. You have spoken, you have been speaking. He has spoken, he has been speaking. We have spoken, we have been speaking. They have spoken, they have been speaking. You will know them when you will finish the exercise, and then when you will see them, you will really like them. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you very soon again. Thank you.